Is it just me, or is Gemini for Workspace the only way to ensure your manufacturing process stays ahead? What if identifying every little inefficiency and seamless communication with your supply chain was possible? Gemini for Workspace is your manufacturing game changer. Spot bottlenecks in sheets. With Gemini, catch delays as they happen, predict demands, automate orders, and always be a step ahead. Digital quality. Checks in forms and docs go digital with quality control. Use forms for checks and docs to detail your fixes, setting high standards effortlessly. Supplier chats in Gmail. Communicate with suppliers in Gmail smoothly, ensuring orders are timely and accurate in any language. Unified instruction in docs. Create foolproof guides in docs, keeping your team in sync and operations flawless. Optimize with Data Studio. Bring your data together in Data Studio, visualizing the ways to enhance efficiency and productivity. Redefine manufacturing with Gemini for Workspace. Dive in and watch your operations transform. Eager to revamp your workflow? Share your journey. Follow for more AI related information on manufacturing.